Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2011 Panini Certified Football Break. The Cardinals and the Dolphins. I didn't really pause on that one so you can see your names on the bottom. Cardinals and the Dolphins unsold, so... And the first card has a... First pack, has a redemption in it. Mike Walker, Matt Forte, Jared Allen, Marshawn Lynch, London Fletcher. It is a rookie fabric of the game, jersey number prime signatures. Let's see. It is Stephen Ridley, number 13. Rookie fabric of the game, jersey number prime. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, Stephen Ridley for the Patriots. Jared Allen, Brandon Lloyd, Steve Wisniewski, Stephen, Mike Tolbert, Kenny Britt. Second hit, Julius Peppers, Matthew Stafford, DeMarco Murray, Mike Wallace, Kellen Winslow. Second hit is for the Ravens, and it is a Torrey Smith Certified Potential jersey, number 8 out of 250. Ravens have been hot lately in my breaks. Beanie Wells, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Calvin Johnson, blue parallel, numbered out of 100. Jeremy Maclin, James Laurinaitis. Tony Gonzalez, Reggie Wayne, Lance Kendricks, LaDainian Tomlinson, Patrick Willis. Miles Austin, Eli Manning, Jonas Mouton, Louis Murphy, Phillip Rivers. Jason Witten, Brandon Jacobs, Donald Driver, Nate Washington, Rashard Mendenhall, and a nice, for a jersey anyway, hit. Freshman fabric of Andy Dalton. Nice big piece of jersey there. It is numbered 48 out of 50. Okay, so one more hit. Hopefully it'll be an auto. We shall see. Greg Jennings, Todd Heap, Marcus Colston, green parallel. That's numbered out of 5. So that's a low number. LeGarrette Blount and LaShawn McCoy. Ray Rice, Maurice Jones-Drew, Steve Johnson, red parallel, numbered out 250. Sam Bradford, Mark Sanchez, and the last pack, which should contain a hit. I guess it must be an auto. Mike Walker again, Matt Forte, oh, there it is. Vernon Davis, Darren McFadden, and the final hit, a new generation Ryan Kerrigan auto. Ugh, Purdue. Okay, so not too bad, actually. I mean, the 2 autos were decent. And you know, Torrey Smith's not a bad jersey, and the Andy Dalton's pretty nice. It's a nice big piece. And even though he's from Purdue, Kerrigan's a pretty good player. So, thanks for your purchases. Don't forget to check out the website, HobbyBoxBreakers.com. There's 2 up there that are starting to sell a little quicker. And I just put 2 more up for Wednesday. We're going to be doing SP Authentic Football, which has 3 autos, and... what was the other one? Oh, Donruss Elite, the weekly Donruss Elite one. So check those out. Don't forget to add us to your favorite sellers. Follow us on Twitter. Like us on Facebook. And I'll be getting your cards out in the mail tomorrow. Thank you again. Have a good evening.